In this video, we'll be wiring the electronics.
You will need all the cables included in your kit, as well as the ones already attached to the printer. We'll begin by taking the wires from the heated bed and placing them in the D8 header with the positive on the right. If you have a print cooling fan, which is different from the hot end cooling fan, you can put it in the D9 header with the positive on the right. The cooling fan for the actual hot end will be placed directly in the power supply because this fan needs to stay on all the time. The one in the D9 header will actually be turned on with the print settings in order to cool the print, which will help the quality in the case that you're using PLA. Next, the wires for the hot end will be placed in the D10 header. Polarity doesn't matter here. Next, we'll be placing the thermistors in their respective headers, T0 for the hot end and T1 for the heated bed. After that, we'll place the end stop wires in the ramps board. It's important to note polarity here. The positive must be facing the thermistor wires, or the inside of the ramps board. If this is reversed, you will fry the voltage regulator on the Arduino. Starting from the bottom, we'll place the X end stop, then we'll skip one and place the Y end stop, and then we'll skip another and place the Z end stop. These will be the minimum end stops for the printer, and it will go to these in order to home the printer. Next, we will plug in our stepper motors into the Z, Y, X, and extruder positions on the ramps board, as marked so. Polarity doesn't matter so much here. If the motors spin the wrong direction, we can just turn off the printer and turn them around. When you're done, it should look like this.
That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be adjusting our end stops to get our home position.